Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my little Liam right here. He didn't want to behave, he was crying, so I figured I'm gonna do the video with him, right? He likes that, he just wants to be in front of camera. Hey, should we do that together? Are you tired, buddy? You didn't want to sleep right now, you're tired? Okay. I wanted to show you guys how do you swaddle them with the swaddle carrier. And they are like this, like a koala bear, and they absolutely love it. Like every time he cries, like right now when he cried, I always take the swaddle. I either walk around at home or you can also go outside and go for a walk. They absolutely love that. So let me show you guys how to do it, because the first time I did it, I was like, how? How is it gonna work? You literally just have something like this, so long, and that is going to be a carrier. Okay, let's do it. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Yay. All right, let me do this as long as he's quiet. I want to show you guys how this works to make a carrier with this piece right here. So every carrier has a tag. Can you find it? Right here, which is like the middle of the entire carrier. You guys can see that? Okay. So what you do is you just take it like that and you wrap it around here about where the belly button is, and you let the tag visible. You wrap it one time around. No, buddy, it's okay. You wrap it around and you open it up right here. So you have one open space right here and the other one is right there. You guys see? Like this. And this is the back. It's like a cross. Then you take all of this, the leftover, and you put it in here. Through it. Okay? You can make it tighter by pulling here and by putting it also further up. That is up to you how far you want to hold him. If you want to have him further up, you put this further up. If not, you let it down. Then you cross it right here and you're just going to wrap it around how many times you want. I usually do 2 times and then I fix it right here. I just make a knot like this. And this is it. So right now you can just put him in here and then I'll show you guys what to do. Okay, ready? Let's take it. Yeah, hello. Okay, so I have him here right now. I take one piece and put his one leg through it. Come here, buddy. I take his other piece. I always lean back so his head cannot like bobble around too much. Give me a leg, buddy. Boom, and it goes through there. You guys can see that. So now he's sitting in there. So now I take this piece, I open it up completely, all through his back and his butt, and I go just like that. Same with the other piece. Fix his butt and go all the way up. Like that. Now you take not this piece, there's another one right underneath that goes straight through it. The one with the tag on it. So you gotta find it right here. I have it. Then you put his one leg through it. So you have the one leg through here. You take it to the other side. You put his other leg through, and now you could just open it up as high as you want it. And here, make sure the butt is in. You can even also put the feet in it if you want. You can also leave it out like I do right now. And then you just pull it up here, and it's completely closed. Yeah, put it a little bit higher so it's more comfortable. It's just up to you. Some people prefer it to have it all the way down here. Like that, it's comfortable too, it's up to you. If you want him to sleep, and you see it's a really good, his head is completely fixed, he's eating the whole thing right now. If you want him to sleep like this, you just take that, and you can put it over his head, so you can just put his head onto my chest. Right now he doesn't want to, and then he can sleep like that. Okay. And you see, if I bounce him, he's so much lighter than usually. He's so heavy to bounce the whole day. You can just walk around. Even outside. You love the camera, don't you? I know. Isn't that funny? And usually they're not supposed to eat that, but he just loves to eat anything right now, so he's eating it, and that's fine. So you see in the back, it's a cross, and it can never open up because you have this one here, and it's fixed, and it's even tied. I can feel it right now. So this is it. Right now the koala and I are ready to do whatever we want to do. And something before I forget, if you haven't done yet, please hit the subscribe button. Liam and I, we have so much to show you. He is 2 months and a half year old right now, and I've learned so much during my pregnancy. This is my first kid that I have, so it is very challenging. It is so much fun and also very exhausting. But there's just so many things that I've learned that I want to show you guys. So don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, any comments, feel free to leave them down below. You want to say hi? Say hi. Aw.